Okay, so recapping. If something is an infinitive, it means it ends in AR, ER, or IR. Okay? Like comprar for this one, comer to eat, and vivir to live. Okay. If you want to change it into who is doing it, which is what is called conjugation. So conjugation is just a fancy word for describing who is doing it. Okay? I jump, you jump. Because if I say jump, we don't know who's jumping. So we have to say I or you, he or she or it. Alright? After we put that there, then we're going to take off the ending. So watch. We have our infinitive. How do we know it's an infinitive? Because it ends in AR, ER, or R. Okay? And then we're going to cross that bad boy off there. We're going to be left with come, right? And then we're going to put in a new ending to change it up to the I form. So let's say we want the I form of yo. For I, we're going to put in oh. It's always going to be yo something. Oh, let's try it again. What about the word hablar? Hablar means to speak. What we're going to cross off? Exactly. We're going to cross off AR. Okay? After we cross off the AR, we're going to be left with H-A-B-L. And now we have to put a new ending. And remember what I said. It's going to be yo something. Oh, so it's going to be yo hablo. Okay? And that's I speak. So that's your introduction to conjugating and saying that. Because they have the three different endings, we have to know the endings that correspond. So if there's an AR verb, meaning the verb ends in AR, after we take off the AR, we're going to replace them with a certain kind of endings. And those endings have to have A's in them. Please don't be dropping these E's over here, okay? We want to keep the A's on this side. So it's going to be O, as, a. Then it's going to be amos, am. And to talk about I am doing something, we're going to be doing O on the end. You is going to have as. And he or she, that's for now anyway. That's going to be a, okay? So we're going to be just looking at this section here. O, as, a. So this is the rhyme. O as a, amos an. O as a, amos an. O as a. I hope you said amos an. That was the whole point of me doing this stupid rhyme. Okay, so O as a, amos an. Quick example with the word comprar, which we just looked at there. Alright, so we have the word comprar. That's to buy. Of course, we have to cross off that ending. And then we're going to put yo for I. Put our compr. And we're going to put a new ending in, right? Yo compro, I buy. What about if you want to say you buy? You buy shoes. To compras. Okay, so it's going to be a different ending for each line. And then it's going to be el compra. Right? He buys. Yo compro, tú compras, él compra. O as a. Amos an. But we didn't reach amos an yet. Okay, that's it for now. Ciao. See how I'm rhyming there?